Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are exploring the exciting worlds of Galaxis, a revolutionary decentralized platform that's changing the game in how we think about blockchain, digital assets and community-driven ecosystems. Grab your virtual passports because we're about to embark on a journey through the cosmos of Galaxis. So what exactly is Galaxis? Imagine a universe where digital assets, decentralized governance and community interaction converge seamlessly. That's a Galaxis in a nutshell. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to empower creators, developers and users through cutting-edge blockchain technology. Let's break down its core components and see what makes this platform truly out of this world. I'm also now just going to show you a bit about the website. Now we come to the most important part of this video, and I'm going to show you the Galaxis engines. So this is the actual website of the Galaxis engines, and this is my personal account. I have 3 Galaxis Engine nodes and it's paying me daily in Galaxis tokens, and I'm just going to show you a bit about the actual stocking here, so you can actually choose to lock your tokens to earn even more tokens. So this is quite great actually, because it can actually give you some extra bonuses when you actually lock your tokens. I've not locked my tokens yet, but I think I will probably lock them very soon, because these tokens aren't worth a lot of money at this moment in time. But I think this can actually skyrocket in price, because Gala engines skyrocket in price, and I think this can actually also do it. The founder of the Galaxis engines, have had Mike Tyson on board. He has his own community. So the Galaxis engines are, you can create your own community on this page here. So this is just the actual dashboard of the Galaxis engines, and you can still get in because the Galaxis engine nodes are, I think it's 50,000 nodes, and that's the total, and it will never be more nodes in existence. Okay, so it sold 11,606 nodes after this video. I think this will blow up a bit because it's still early. So that was the Galaxis engine nodes. If you want to sign up for a Galaxis engine node and secure your daily earnings in Galaxis, make sure you check out the link below this video. Now I'm going to go over some boring parts in this video, but I think you want to watch this because... So the Galaxis Tokenomics. Market cap 4.78 million. Volume last 24 hours has gone down, but it's only trading on one exchange, and Uniswap. And total supply is 7.5 billion Galaxis. Max supply is 10 billion Galaxis. But if you look here, self-circulating supply is 540 million Galaxis out of 10 billion. So that's quite cool. And fully diluted market cap is $87.6 million. We can check out the Twitter page here. So at their Twitter page, you can actually see that they have the actual Bybit and Galaxis listing is live. Introducing Galaxis Gen 0 cards with a limited supply. So they also have a NFT, as I said earlier in this video, and we can actually check it out right now. At the heart of Galaxis is its decentralized nature, built on blockchain technology to ensure transparency, security and user control. The ecosystem comprises several key elements. Galaxis Core. This is the foundation of the platform, offering a robust infrastructure for various applications. It supports smart contracts, decentralized finance, DeFi protocols and much more, making it the backbone of the ecosystem. Galaxis Market, a decentralized marketplace where users can buy, sell and trade digital assets. It's designed to be secure, efficient and user-friendly, providing a seamless experience for all participants. Galaxis Governance, power to the people. Through Decentralized Autonomous Organization DAO, Galaxis enables users to have a say in the platform's future, proposals, voting, and community decisions making are all integral parts of the governance structure. Galaxis Engine nodes are crucial for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of the network. Here's why they're so important. Transaction validation. Engine nodes are responsible for validating transactions, ensuring they are accurate and legitimate before being added to the blockchain. The process is vital for maintaining the security and trustworthiness of the network. Network security. By participating in consensus mechanism, engine nodes help secure the network against attacks. They work together to maintain a robust and resilient blockchain, making sure that the system is always up and running. Decentralization. The more nodes there are, the more decentralized and secure the network becomes. This decentralization is key to the integrity and democratic nature of Galaxis. Scalability and efficiency. Engine nodes enhance the scalability of the Galaxis network, allowing it to handle a growing number of users and transactions without compromising on speed or efficiency. How to set up a Galaxis Engine node. You can buy it on the website. I will have a link below this video. This is the actual website of the Galaxis engines. The other website I was on was the actual Galaxis Engine website. This is their main website, and I'm going to show you a bit about what it is here. So as you see here, we have start using Galaxis, discover Galaxis, and what is Galaxis. If you are going to invest in a Galaxis engine, this is something you really want to read. So here are a bit about the communities and their NFTs. And as you see here, NFTs sold, ETH made on secondary markets, project served. 𝗧cie𝗃𝗲𝗶𝗰𝗀. Congratulations to Galaxis on the launch of its NFT creation platform. So we are going to check that out right now. So here we have the Galaxis engines, the communities, and as you see here, I think there are a lot of different types here. So if you want to check this Galaxis community and the actual Galaxis engines, check out the description of this video.